Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing of this month's BoxyCharm Boxyluxe. So if you want to see that, please keep watching. And real quick, if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe before you leave. Alright, let's get started. So, this is what the box looks like this month. It still looks like the normal BoxyCharm box, except for this one is smaller than it usually is. Let me see if I have an older one. Alright, so yeah, see, like it's usually bigger, like a lot bigger, but I don't know, I guess we're gonna find out if it's still, you know, chocked full of awesome goodies. It's still worth the $50, I'm sure it is. Alright, so we're gonna open it up, and right on top we have the little card that they put in there that has all of the products, the price of the products, and you know, the description of what the products are. Alright, so right on top here, as you can see, I'll show you, it looks like this right as you open it, and then when you remove this thing on top, it is packed pretty full of some stuff. So let's find out what we got. So this first thing that I pulled out looks like a makeup bag. It is the BoxyCharm train case. Just another perk of being a charmer, this exclusive BoxyCharm cosmetics case is not only extremely chic, but very spacious and perfect for the charmer who has to take their glam on the go. And it retails for $20. I always like getting new makeup bags. I basically have a suitcase just for makeup when I travel, and we do have to travel because, you know, our whole family is on the other side of the country. Let's see what this looks like. Looks like a rose gold, and it looks like this. And then it's got a zipper. It says BoxyCharm on the inside and just looks like that. Nothing, I mean, it's not like it's anything super fancy. It's just a normal makeup case, but it's always nice to get. Alright, so the next thing I'm pulling out is this. It says it's the IT Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream Anti-Aging Armor Rejuvenating Concentrate. You guys know, I've said this a million times, I love how in the Boxyluxes we always get some skincare. Love trying out new skincare. I love that I don't have to pay full price for the skincare. So this says that it is, let me see if I can find it on here. Alright, so developed with plastic surgeons, Confidence in a Cream is your new #1 anti-aging moisturizer. Perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive. This quick absorbing super cream immerses your skin to moisture, restores visible radiance, reduces the look of pores, discoloration, lines, and wrinkles, and improves the look of firmness. You'll see powerful results instantly and more dramatic results over time. That sounds amazing. It retails for $48. So basically, for the whole price, for the price of this entire box, you just paid for this. Not bad, and you still got a ton of other stuff in there. So I'm excited to use this. I love IT Cosmetics. So I can't wait to try this. I'm currently using a different moisturizer right now from the last Boxyluxe, which you guys will see in my morning skincare routine video, which will be up at some point. I already filmed it, so it'll be up at some point, but this will definitely go into my skincare fridge, so it's ready when I run out of the other one. So the next thing I pull out is this iconic London eyebrow cushion. Give your brows the wow they deserve with iconic Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion. The innovative 2-shade liquid brow compact allows for fuller looking brows with half of the effort. The highly pigmented liquid formula glides on effortlessly, while the angled brush makes for precise application each time, and it retails for $40. Alright, so let's open this up. It says that this is in shade medium. So, ooh, I like the packaging. I'm going to say that right now. I really like the packaging. Looks like that. Okay, so you open it and it looks like this. A little flap to open this, and then you've got the little angled brush, and it's got a spoolie on the end, and it's one that like bends, so it's like super compact. So you open up a little spoolie. It's kind of small, but I mean, who cares? So let's open this up, see the color. This is super dark. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but this looks dark. Let me see. I'm gonna put one finger in the lighter shade and one in the darker, kind of. Ooh, it's cushiony. Looks like that. Looks like mud. There are some swatches for you. These are going to be too dark for me. I can tell you that already. Especially right now with my hair as light as it is. It is going, let's see, I'm trying to find like a makeup wipe. It's not going well. But yeah, it's gonna be too dark for me. So I can't say that I'll use it. But maybe if I end up going brunette again at some point, maybe I'll use it then. The lighter one might work. All right, I'm gonna go wash this off real quick, and then we will continue, because it stains. It stains, guys. I don't know about this. All right, so I tried to wash it off, and it just kind of smeared. I couldn't get it all off. So I don't know about that, but I do like the packaging. And like I said, maybe at some point if I go darker with my hair, I'll actually try it. But I don't know. But still, it's a cool idea. I like the packaging. Kind of indifferent to it though. All right, so I'm trying to hurry because my battery is blinking, so it's going to die. So the next thing we have are some Lily lashes. I love Lily lashes. I've talked about Lily lashes on here before. These are the limited edition lashes in faux mink. It says add volume, length, and drama to your lashes with your new limited edition faux mink Gia pair of Lily lashes. The wing style cruelty-free lashes are durable enough to give you up to 20 wears, and these retail for $24.99. So yeah, definitely excited about those. The next thing I'm pulling out is the Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love, and it says a moisturizing 8-hour-long wearing silky satin lip color infused with the next generation of hyaluronic acid. Retails for $24. And this is in the color Tulip. It looks like this. I like the packaging, I really do. It's sleek and pretty. And this is the color. I actually really like that. And it looks like this. I like that color. That's a really pretty color. And it feels very creamy, at least on my hands. So, yeah. I'm pretty happy with that. I don't know, obviously, about the wear or anything yet, but I like it. Alright, so the next thing I'm pulling out is this Moda Powder and Soft Glow. Looks like this. It looks like it's a brush kit. Yeah, so Moda Brushes Powder and Soft Glow Kit. Your new Moda 2-piece powder and soft glow kit is the ultimate dynamic duo. The two brushes were designed to give you your desired look. The elegant rose gold tapered handles and two-tone synthetic brush hair make this brush set the perfect addition to your brush collection, and it retails for $29.99. I always love getting brushes. I'm obsessed with makeup brushes, so can't complain there. The next thing I'm pulling out is the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. And it says, containing a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts, The Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by kaolin clay. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. This rose gold skin saving peel off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion, and it retails for $34. Everything I've ever tried from Wander Beauty I've liked, so I'm excited to get this to try. I love skincare stuff, obsessed with skincare stuff, so I'm very excited about this. The next thing is from Cover FX. It says it's the Perfector Face Palette in light medium. Looks like this. And when you open it up, it looks like this. It says it has a, let's see, okay, so it has a highlighter. This highlighter looks like it's going to be too dark for me, but we'll find out when I actually get a chance to try these out. And then another highlighter, which also looks too dark for me. But again, you know, just because they look like they're too dark in here doesn't mean anything. And I plan to try it out, and I will definitely update you guys. Then there is a contour down here, a blush, a finishing powder, and a brightener. And about this, it says, let me see if I can find it. Oh, right here. Okay, so it's the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. 6 must-have complexion essentials in one travel-friendly palette. The talc-free formula provides seamless blending and flawless application. Sculpt with contour, blush it up, and illuminate with 2 shimmering highlighters. Find your perfect finish with the brightener and finishing powder for a glowing, multi-dimensional look anywhere and everywhere you go. And it retails for $45. So I'm excited to try this out. Definitely going to stay on the vanity so I can try it out. I'm excited about that. Okay, the next thing I'm grabbing is this big boy. It is the 15D Day Slayer eyeshadow palette from Morphe Cosmetics. For the most part, I really like Morphe. Not that I've tried a ton of stuff, but every brush I've ever used from there I have enjoyed. I know it's kind of hit or miss for some people. I've liked the brushes I've used from there. I love my original Jaclyn Hill palette from there, and I like most of her Vault collection from there as well. But I haven't really used a ton of Morphe. You know what I mean? Like, it's not like, I'm not super Morphe literate, I guess. I don't know, like, you know, I'm not like, I haven't used any of their other palettes or anything like that, but this is what it looks like. Lots of warm colors, which I love. I love warm colors, so can't wait to try this out and give you guys an update on this as well. And this is what it says about it. Indulge in infinite eye looks. The mirrored palette features 15 crazy creamy, powerfully pigmented shades. So you can color, or you can mix, match, and blend the rules. And it retails for $16. That's one thing I do like about Morphe, is things are very affordable. All right, and then there's one more product in here, and that is Deborah Lippmann. Looks like nail polish, and in the shades Odana and Modern Love. It says the dual patented formula in your new Deborah Lippmann 2-piece set lets you bring the nail salon home. The 10 active ingredients help deliver health, shine, and long wear to your nails, giving you the effects of gel polish without the damage, and it retails for $20. So we've got 2 new nail polish shades. Packaging is cute, and they look like this. So I'm excited to try these out as well. I'm not so sure about this one. And Odana is this one, and it's kind of shimmery. It's hit or miss if I'll use a shimmer shade, but I mean, it doesn't mean I won't try it. And then this one is Modern Love. I really like Modern Love. Modern Love looks really nice. I'm excited to try this. I might even actually do that later. All right, guys, so that's everything in this month's Boxyluxe box. I actually really like it. Everything retails, like all together, you're getting a box that retails for almost $302. It's $301.98. So definitely worth the $50. Definitely. I'm pretty excited about almost every single product in here. The only one I'm really the most iffy about is the eyebrow thing. But that, I mean, again, it doesn't mean I'm not gonna try it. Eventually I will. It does sting, but then again, that's just on my arm. So yeah, all in all, I'm really excited about this box. I'm really happy with it. I have been happy with all of them so far. I was really worried about that. That's a lot of money a month. Like, even if it is every 3 months, it's a lot of money, but I like it. Real quick, if you don't know what Boxycharm is, which I mean, I'm sure you do, but it's a monthly subscription, and the Boxyluxe comes every 3 months. You have to already be subscribed to Boxycharm, getting a Boxycharm box every month in order to get it, and then you get charged for your normal Boxycharm box plus like $30, I believe, to make it into $50, and then you just get the bigger box, which has stuff from that month's Boxycharm plus extras. Sorry, the kids are playing. So far, I definitely think it's been well worth the money. I've enjoyed every single one I've gotten. This is like my 3rd or 4th one now, and I've loved every single one. So definitely do recommend it if you have the money and you want to do it. So yeah, I'm gonna try to put my link down below. It's not like I have like an affiliate link or anything, but I think like if you sign up through somebody's link, they get, I don't know, like the Boxycharms, like they call them charms or something, and then I don't know. I don't even know how it works. You don't have to use my link. I'm just gonna put it down below just because. But I mean, you know, all you have to really do is go to boxycharm.com and you can sign up right there. So, if you want to use my link though, go ahead. I mean, like I said, I think it just gives me charms, and then I can use those charms to help pay for like extra products or something. I don't really know. But you know, you do what you want to do. But yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful, and if you were thinking about the Boxyluxe. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!